Michelle has the bright idea, thinks we can hike 2 miles with a 30-pound toddler. Day 3, just woke up. It's not the best when you're away from home sometimes to get sleep, because this one is a little bit of the devil at night, huh? It's because of you we can't get no sleep. Ding. So today we're gonna get out. I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but I'm thinking about going to Bridal Falls, which is like the biggest waterfall around that everybody takes photographs of. It's kind of a must-do, I think, a touristy spot. If you're only here once in a while, you should probably go see it. That's at least what I think. So the lodge is right across from where we're staying. So hopefully it'll be convenient enough where I can get on a couple emails, and then after we'll start the adventures after we get some breakfast and do the day-to-day things. And what do you think about that? You look pretty cool. A little dance. Gondola is up and running. It's a little chilly in the morning, but not too bad. Let's go. Tacos and coffee shop back there. Should be a little bit friendlier though. Anyways, got some good stuff. Breakfast in the mountains. I'm gonna try this oxygen tank. I'll save it and see how Michelle likes it. Taco looks pretty tasty. Eggs, carnitas, beans, all wrapped up. Some energy booster there. And also got some news from the Telluride Adventure Outfitters. Unfortunately, we're not going to go on an ATV. They don't allow kids under 6. So we'll figure out something else to do. I think we're just jump in the car and do some sightseeing ourselves. commute in the morning. So sick. I don't know how long you do this until it gets old, but right now you could do this forever. Wake up, walk up to the gondola, jump on, roll into town, grab a bite to eat, walk around. Yeah, it's not a bad life. Definitely see why there's a few people that would retire up here. Pure oxygen. Pure oxygen.
Rhea, arriba, mami.
Look at Rhea, look what Mama's doing.
Do I put it in my nose?
I don't know.
My mouth? I don't know. You're the one who bought it.
Just breathe it in.
Ta-da!
Wanna try?
No.
Shit, I'll do it. I feel better already.
Oh, that's a lie.
Pure oxygen, baby. I was running up to the gondola again to see if I was getting any better. I was slightly better, but damn, I was out of breath. It's hard to get your breath up here. Still not used to it. Gotta have some more.
Well, I'm fine.
She's acting all tough. Give me a break. This says on here, it's good recovery, it's altitude and poor air quality enhancement, and better for aerobic performance.
Where you go?
Let's get it.
How much do you pay for that?
Oh, still stupid, $15.
Oh, and you complain about Rhea's turtle?
So I'm not super happy about it, even though I like hiking. This one. So what are you trying to do, Jill?
We're going to the bottom of the waterfall. But I'm carrying a, I don't know, 30-pound job.
So what I was saying is, Jill has the bright idea, thinks we can hike 2 miles with a 30-pound toddler, and she's pretty much carrying her. Because for some reason, she doesn't want Dad to carry her. We'll see. This is Bridal Falls. It's at the end of Telluride town, and you can see it from any point of view. You can hike it, you can drive it. Driving seems a bit sketchy. Hiking to the very top is quite far, but you can hike to the bottom like we did. I'm happy Achille challenged us to go here and hike it. It was scenic and a good exercise. A great way to end the day. So today was pretty epic with pulls. This one getting us to hike a little bit.
It was quite a challenge with a crying baby the whole time. Well, just the way back.
But that's a great end to the Telluride adventure. And on to the next one. So tomorrow we'll be heading off to, I believe it's called Ouray. So we'll see you guys then.
Yeah.
I saw you walking the light, and the truth may come as a surprise.